I know this title says, "Hello, just welcome to a video." And then I'm gonna make some mini and watch into this video. Ooh, what game am I playing? Jesus, you suck. Alright, that was like a weird commercial. It was just scaring after the game. So, also, you want to see more mini awards? Just any more like Wonder games, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Ooh, want a mini buddies. That's a mini problem. Ooh, we got it. I'm trying. Darling. Let's roll. Oh my gosh. Well, this guy just like really just like a one. I'm going for some reason. Ooh, mission complete. I think I won. Winner, chicken dinner, chicken ball. I don't know. Let's just skip. I might open it up and see the next one. I'm gonna make like dual parts of this series. If you guys want to see it, I don't know. Ooh, glue player. That's a glue real idea. Correct. I meant to say a Christopher thing. Ooh, banana vacuum. Yeah, I could just say that. I could just the banana vacuum. Ooh. Ooh, Jesus. I'm banana witch. I'm banana witch. Woohoo, I win. Win a chicken dinner. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Let's continue. Move it up here. Ooh, that's pretty sweet. But I do. Next. Go. I don't know what to do. Right now it's wee. Why do you look like those Dawson? Ooh, yeah, loud. I think I need some kind of running. I love the shortest one. I guess I'm running. What's now content? It's now content. No, we're not. I don't want to join your Facebook. Okay, I really just don't. There's a good deal Lego. Oh, of course. Oh, woo, woo. Ooh, new minion. Down here. Just continue this one. One for 30 seconds. Woo, that was done. But that's the only thing. I need a banana. Oh, sorry, buddy. Ooh. Woohoo! I win. I'm really good at this game. This is like so easy. I mean, heck, don't you know what I mean? This is like so easy. It's just like so easy. I just. What's it? Collect 150 bananas. I think I got that. I think I really just got that under control, and woo, that was done. Okay, but anyways, I'm gonna get distracted. Heck, all these levels have been short. Like, I just really just don't get it. I kinda wanna continue this thing. Ooh, that's cool. Wow. They don't. Oh my gosh. Little rocket ship. Oh my lord. Ooh, that was fast. Oh my gosh. Get out of here, minion. Yoy. Ooh, this is so awesome. This is just so awesome. Wow. Wait, ooh, a new chapter. I never seen that before. Oh my. Let's just hope I keep this level like long. Nice. I guess I would. Select 300 meters. Man, well, how many I want you? Alright, we're done. Alright, now it's. Yoy! Alright. Whoa, that's cool! Woohoo! I didn't do nothing to do that. Oh, this game is so easy. No, I haven't done the disco area like that is. Alright, for 1 minute. That's easy. I could do that. That's so easy. Alright, enjoy. Sorry. Oh my gosh, see you next video. Bye.